Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Creators Corner. If you're watching this, you probably want to grow your YouTube channel, right? Maybe you're stuck at 100 subscribers, or maybe you're pushing for that 1,000 sub milestone to get monetized. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 proven tips to grow your YouTube channel in 2025. These are strategies I've used, tested, and seen work for creators just like you. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could skyrocket your growth. Oh, and if you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, nail your niche. YouTube is a crowded place. Over 500 hours of video are uploaded every minute. If you want to stand out, you need to know who you're talking to and what you're about. Are you into gaming, DIY, cooking on a budget? Pick something specific and own it. For example, instead of just cooking, maybe you're vegan cooking for busy moms. The more narrow your focus, the easier it is for the right audience to find you. When I started, I was all over the place. Tech reviews one day, vlogs the next day, dog videos the following day, and my growth was slow. Once I zeroed in on cinematic travel videos, my views started climbing. So take a minute today, write down your niche, and make sure every video you post fits it. Trust me, consistency is a key. Tip number 2, master your thumbnails and titles. These are your first impression, your billboard on YouTube. A viewer decides in seconds whether to click, so make it impossible to scroll past. For thumbnails, use bold colors, big text, and expressive faces. Yes, even a shocked face works. Look at Mr. Beast or Marcus Brownie. Their thumbnails pop. Titles, keep them catchy but clear. Something like 5 mistakes killing your YouTube channel beats YouTube tips. Add a number or a hook to spark curiosity. Oh, and test them. I tweaked one thumbnail from being a boring stock image to a bright red background with my goofy grin, and clicks doubled overnight. Spend time on this. It's worth it. Tip number 3, post consistently. The YouTube algorithm loves creators who show up regularly. It doesn't mean daily uploads. Quality beats quantity, but pick a schedule and stick to it. Once a week, twice a week, whatever works for you. My sweet spot is once a week, and every now and then I try to put an extra one out. My subscribers know when to expect me, and YouTube rewards that rhythm with better promotion. Start small if you're busy. Even one solid video a month is better than sporadic chaos. Batch your work. Film 2 or 3 videos in a day. Edit them over a week. Consistency builds trust with your audience and the algorithm. Don't ghost your channel for months. I learned this the hard way. Tip number 4, engage your audience. YouTube isn't just about views. It's about community. Reply to comments, ask questions in your videos, and use the community tab if you got it. I ask stuff like, what's your biggest YouTube struggle? And pin the best replies. It makes viewers feel heard. Also, start your videos with a hook and a call to action. Try this. If you want to triple your subscribers, stick around. It's simple but effective. Oh, and don't sleep on polls or live streams. Those keep people coming back. Engagement tells YouTube your content's worth pushing. Tip 5, analyze and adapt. YouTube gives you a goldmine of data in your analytics tab. Check your audience retention. Where are the people dropping off? If it's in the first 30 seconds, your intro's too slow. Look at click-through rates. Low numbers mean that your thumbnail or title needs work. When I saw one video had 80% retention, I made more like it, and my channel took off. Experiment too. Try a new format, or collab with another creator. Keep what works, ditch what doesn't. Growth is a game of tweaking and learning. Alright, now for the bonus tip. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. It's like borrowing their audience for a day. Find someone with a similar vibe, pitch a fun idea, and cross-promote. My first collab doubled my subs in a week. That's it, folks. 5 tips plus a bonus to grow your YouTube channel in 2025. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below. I'll be there to chat. If you like this, smash the like button and subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss more growth hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Keep creating. You've got this.